Good morning, children. Welcome back to your environmental studies class. Our topic, matter, solids, liquids and gases. In the previous class, we have learned about matter, and we know that matter is everything around us. So, in today's class, before we move on, I want you to observe the clue pictures carefully and guess the topic that we are going to learn. Can you guess? Yes. We are going to learn about the different states of matter. Matter ni dan. Mo dan siyang kakanzir don ani. Can you guess the picture? The first picture is yes, solid. And the second picture is liquid. And the third one is gas. So these three are the states of matter. So matter exists in three states. They are solid, liquid and gas. Now look at the picture. What can you tell about the shape of these objects? Yes, these objects have a definite shape. Pian mang landan di klap an nevek ani. Draw picture pathum tehyan. Number 2, do the objects change their shape when they are moved or squeezed? Does the object change when you moved or squeezed them? Ay intlak klengangim an landan an omdan teka. No, the shape of these objects do not change. Eng ang pon mit maula mo eng ma an pian mang an landan ka ay intlak don lawani. Now can these objects flow an luang them? No. An luang te lawani. Tara. Then do they occupy space? Yes, they occupy a definite space. Mun an luakat vea. Mun an luakat ve te bok ani. Tara. So all the objects which have a definite shape are called solids. As you can see in the picture, solids has its own shape. Mo pian dan big. Landan big ka ani. It does not change unless you cut, bend or break it. Ititsya a, izaitsya a, ithepa mo. Ititliak emo, ititsya emo ani ilaw tsuan. Alandan apian mang akha, atlak don lawani. And it takes up space and have mass. Now, let's do an activity from your textbook page number 21. Turn to page 21. Be ready with the following materials: bottle, pencil box, sheet of paper, soft toys and spoons. Now I want you to hold the objects in your hand and I want you to try to bend it. Press. Fold it. Can you fold each of them? Can you bend each of them? Can you press each of them? Alright. So based on what you have observed, think and answer in a yes or a no. Right. So all the objects in the above activity are solids. We know that all the objects, the given objects, are solids. So they do not change their shape easily, right? For example, the soft toys can be pressed. Soft toys katutyan in meta. Pero in met kwardup teya. But they come back to their original shape. In thavele kan a shape pa ngay, alandan pa ngay ang karon nila ni. The sheet of paper can be unfolded to its original shape. Tiyang tia tsuanin sheet of paper tepo ka. Mo in klepa. Atle ka in pel tsuan. A original shape pa. Ma omdan ang ngay kanaron omlet ni. So solids have a fixed or definite shape. So they are made up of different materials, right? Hands, some are hard, some are soft, and some can be folded, whereas others cannot. a chen te chu a thle theya a chen chu a chang em a chen te chu a nem dewa mo amaro chu chu ti ral chon a chen te chu khatia anga ti thei mi a lo te po kha ani ve le thung ani solids do not flow an luang ngai lava they cannot be poured into containers bomb chunga kan le lut thei lo bok ani tiro chuwan chuan solids ani chuanin thil luang thei chi thil tuiral thei chi kha ani ve lova container chunga po kan le lutin kan le bolut thei ve lo ani right so I want you to make your own answer for this activity from page 21 from your textbook. These are the examples of solids. Alright, solids to thil sakhat soina ani. The next one, liquids. What are liquids? Look at the picture carefully. What do you see in the pictures? The first picture is water, river flowing, right? And the second picture is rainfall, right? So, what is liquid? Liquids do not have a definite shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Liquids flow easily and can be poured into containers. Liquids chuan definite shape solid ang khan ane ve lava. Mo container bomb shape shang chunga ida ang apya kha a shape chu ani ve mai ani. So liquids flow easily and can be poured into containers. Solid ang law takin liquids kha chu olsam takin alwang theya. Mo bomb chunga po olsam takin ithlilut theyani. Alright. For more information, liquids do not have their own shape. Shape yan mang ka-nation lawani. The shape, it takes the shape of their container. Bom maida ang kaan pian mang chuan me ibom da azir ang kha mo bom kha asol daw iman chuan tui kha ileilu chuan asol angin na lang nga khatia ang kha ani maya. Liquids take up space and have mass. Mun all kha chu anno khat ve thei thawa mass kha ani ve bok ani. Here are the examples of liquids: juice, water, oil, milk, soft drinks, and vinegar. Hetiang lau po thil tui ral mo thil tui thei shim ani khan. They are known as liquids. Alright. Now we have finished learning the difference between solids and liquids. I hope you understand. Now let us understand the third state of matter, that is what? Can you tell me? Gases. Yes, very good. Alright, look at the picture carefully. In the first picture, what do you see after the candle is blown off? We can see smoke, right? So in the second picture, what did the boy blow inside the balloon? Yes, air. Then what happens when an inflated balloon bursts? Alo po akhan ing til ngelaw tling chin ka. Air is released in the surroundings. Sa bullets heve lakhan air ka aron in release china ni aron swak china ni tro bo rock ka. And what can you see coming out of the vessel? The third picture. Yes, steam. Now, the matter of gases. Gases have no definite size or shape. Liquid ang tsekhan gas hianin size mo le shape ka anay lavani. It takes the shape of its container. A container at hunga container bomb chunga idada na zirzel khan ani po khanin shape kha ron nei ve ani balloon po athe pa I han hampar chuanin alo puar alo bial china tro a chen te chu heart shape ten alo ama a chen te chu savalem ang ten mo balloon po chi shang shang kan nei chin kha khati ang khan a chunga air iwa thun chia khan khami a container ang shape khan aron om the ani. All right, and I guess we'll fill all the space inside the container. The chuan container chung bom chunga khanin gas chu space zong kha anno khat vek thei thunga. It takes up space and have mass. Te anga I mun ruak alwa kha thei awang chuan mass anei ve ani. Here are some examples of gases. The first one is steam, second oxygen, third carbon dioxide, fourth smoke, and the last one is helium. So that means gases are all around us. Borak ti shang mo tui hu thleng khan kha ang kha gases kan ti chu an ni. They do not have a definite shape or size. Katukan soito a, they can flow and spread very easily in all directions and take up the space around them. So air is a mixture of gases. Smoke and water vapor are gases too. Alright, revision. Solids, they have a definite shape. They are not free-flowing. For example, a chair, a laptop, and a key. Next, liquids. Liquids do not have a definite shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are poured. And they are free-flowing. And for the example of liquids, we have water, milk, and oil. The last one, gases. They do not have a definite shape or size like liquids, and unlike solid. So they can flow and spread very easily in all directions. That means they are free-flowing, just like liquids. And for example, for gases, we have air, steam, and smoke. All right. So we have come to the end of the chapter. We have learned the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. And for your assignment, I want you to complete the activity in your textbook. In textbook activity takha nang maani in video hi in ngai thla anga video in ngai thak zo in ngai thak pa pon in lo chang the ani. All right, in lekhabu a in activity kha page number 21 a chuanin solids a khan activity pakhata oma mo name of the object, does it easily bend or change its shape ti kha chuan page number 22 a chuan liquids activity kha aron om le a kha ero chu practicalin nang mani na ina inti thei ani kha ina eng ang chi in nge tui khan shape ane dan kha in lo en ve don ani. All right, so you're going to observe water in different containers in activity page 22 at chuan. All right, chuan page 22 veka khanin check your progress ti kha oma, tick the food items which are in a liquid state ti kha oma, liquid state zong kha in lo tick don ani. And from page number 23, activity gases. Kami activity ve thung kha chu uluk takin video hi in lo enangai ve thungani. All right, titsuanin you can check your progress as well. In page number 23, you're going to write the state of matter of the materials shown in the picture. Kangkha textbooka ti thei ania textbooka in lo ti vekang. All right, assignment submit torsion pa om shi don lava. In assignment te hi intinge ngi tur ani a submit hun kan siam huna arwalin in lo submit vek don ti na ani chu. All right, so van chuan tun chumbi katan pun assignment submit tur ashan pai na omlavanga ama ero chu tu na activity ti tur kanon da kanon soi ang zong zong hi in lo ti don ani nang ma ni textbook a khan. Thank you children.